Friends, it's Dom from the Ray family. Welcome back. Today we're reading Dogman, Big Jim Begins, and we're on chapter 5, Commander Cupcake and Sprinkles. If you have a copy of this book, feel free to read along with me. But if not, don't worry, I'm gonna read it to you. If you're ready, let's get started. Commander Cupcake and Sprinkles. I can't believe you talked me into this. How humiliating. I looked ridiculous. Ridiculously awesome. Can I get some weapons at least? Like knife claws. That's a swell idea, Sprinkles. Cupcake weapons. Now behold these. Now hold these between your fingers. Hey, these are crayons. You have to use your imagination. For we are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams. Amen. Just open the door, you weirdo. Okay. No, wait. Move over here. Okay. Perfect. Now I'll hide where it's safe. Okay. Press that button. You heard the man. I adore thee. Wait, I adore thee. Okay. Ready? Aim, and let's see. I adore thee. Oh no. That didn't end up very well for him. That was funny. Well, Sprinkles, Sprinkles? Squish. There you are. Plop. Silly Sprinkles. Come on, buddy. It's time to save the world. Wait a minute and let go of my tail. I only agreed to wear this silly costume so I could get out of jail. Now I'm done with costumes, done with superheroes, and done with you. Oh, Dogman. Guess what, Dogman? Grandpa just escaped from cat jail, and he's being mean. Now hold on. I can explain. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Go on. Flip that bad boy. Jumpy for grumpy. Oh, jumpy for grumpy. Jumpy for grumpy. Oh man. Jumpy for grumpy. Now wait just a doggone minute. I'm not Grandpa. I'm a good guy. Here, let me show you. See, I told you, I'm a hero. I'm Sparkles, Sprinkles. That's what I said. Now scram. It's okay, Dogman. Pat, pat, pat. I can handle it from here. I didn't know you were friends with Dogman. Oh yes, we go way back. I'll tell you the story. Once upon a time, no. And that is the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed reading this book along with me today. If you want to see more stories read just like this, hit the like and subscribe button and you'll see more stories just like this. Until then, I hope you take care, enjoy, and hopefully this encourages you to read. Have a great day, friend.